in these sessions. This is Django tutorials. In here we are learning about the Django. In the last sessions we have learned something about the forms, how we can create the forms and how we can send the data from the front end to the back end. And means in the back end we are not testing the data, guys. In the last session just we are sending the data and we are displaying the data, guys. Okay, so our server is already running, guys. I have run this project. It was the same project, guys. Okay, let me show you here. Can you see? Is the fourth project, guys. Okay, we are working with fourth project. Okay, so now I want to run this one. What is the command to run, guys? Python manage.py, python manage.py run server. Okay, guys, now server is running at default port number, guys. Okay, I did not change the port number. Port number is here, guys, 8000. Understand, guys? Now let's copy this URLs, guys, and come to your browser. I'm using browser as the Chrome browser here, guys. Okay, then let's see. This was last session what we are working, guys. Now next, let's see what was the URLs here. There is URLs called a student create, guys. Okay, here, so this student create, I can hit this button. I can see here there is a one forms, guys. Okay, now these forms you can type here some data like Raj, roll number 101, father's name. Okay, it's like Raj, right? Not Ram. Raj, father's name, let's put NA, then NA, mother name, then gender is like something, let's see, other. Then email ID we can take raj@gmail.com. Understood, guys? Now I can submit the data. What will happen, guys? Once data is submitted, you will see the request into the backend. In backend, how it's working, guys, I have explained you yesterday. Like there is one URLs. We are using this URLs. A student create slice. In this URLs, once you hit this URLs, then first time get method will work, guys. Okay, in the get block. By default, get method will work. Now this get method what is doing, guys? Here creating the forms object, guys. Okay, already we have the form. For this one object is creating. This is the class, guys. Remember it, form class. One object is creating. Now what we are doing here, then this is our template name, guys. Okay, student create, like this is our HTML page. In this page we are rendering it here. Then we are passing at the context as the form as a key and the value, guys. Okay, now we are sending to the HTML page. Okay, now see a student create. Now here we are just passing the form, whatever variables we are passing from here, like form, same things we are passing here. Okay, guys, now same we are passing. Just a minute, guys. Same forms we are passing here now into the HTML. Hope you have remembered the last session, guys. These things I have just explained you in the last session. If you didn't watch the last video, guys, just watch. That will be helpful for you all. Okay. Again. Now I will just send the data. Once you click on the submit button, guys. Okay. Then we are sending this request through post method, guys. Okay. Let me design here. Add one thing. Style. Border is equal to 2 pixels shading padding. Okay, just add these things. Okay, now come and reload. You will see this block. Okay, guys, this block is sending to the post method, guys. Okay, this particular block, this is your forms data. Okay, I am sending. Once you click on submit button, then we are telling this request will submit to the backend by using post method. Because of this button, guys, we are sending the request to the backend through post method. Okay, once you hit this button, it will look to the post block. Request dot method is equal to post. So this is the block. Okay, now here it will come. That line means guys, we are binding the form data. What data is coming from customer from the browser, same data you are assigning to the your object guys. Okay, in that object we are assigning to that their variables, like in this guys. Okay, name, roll number, these things. Okay, just we are binding it here. Now next is like, then we are doing the forms validations here. Forms dot is valid. Then now from that forms object we are receiving the data guys. Okay, forms dot clean data, and then name, roll number, these things we are receiving here. Okay, now what we are doing guys, we are receiving this data here one by one, then we are displaying into your console, means your terminal here guys. Okay, I'm displaying here. Then now next, what I have done here in the last session, I have explained you, same data we did not store into database, we are just sending back to front end only, just for random use. Okay guys, like for temporary purpose. Yeah, as we are learning, right? So what I have done here, I have just typing here and displaying into the here same block. Okay guys, in the ever by default, see here none is coming guys. Did you understand? Here by default is none, nothing is there, like empty space and none. Okay guys, so I will add some data here, that is like, let's add Raj, roll number, something, father's name, just add some data, random data guys. Okay, then just add at gmail.com. Let's submit it here. Once we submit the request, we can see the whatever data we are sending, I am just displaying here. This concept is temporary purpose, I am just explaining you how it's working. Okay, how you can send data to the backend, how you can display into the front end. Okay, hope you have understood till now here. Now let's see, once we reload guys, data will gone, nothing, means this is not storing anywhere, it's like temporary purpose guys. Okay, let's add final data guys. Okay, ram, roll number, like 101, father's name add na, mother's name add na, then gender as the male, then email address like ram@gmail.com. Now submit the request. Hope you can see now. Again same things now. Till now guys, we have done yesterday, but this data we did not store into the database. Okay, we did not store into database. Okay, now let me explain that concept guys. Okay, in last video already we have seen with Python shell how you are working, how you are storing the data into the database. Same way we are using here. In the last video I have just explained you through Python shell. If you remember guys, let's see the notes here, how we are doing it. Object, a student, then name, this is your table column name. Okay, this is your table column name. Okay, whatever you have, that name you are passing here. If you remember the last session guys, then gender, then email, this is the your data what customer is passing, this is the data what customer is passing. You remember that in the last session, just I have explained these things. Okay, this is the data what customer is passing from the forms, through forms. So same things guys, we can do it here, simple way. Till now you can see in your database there is only 3 record as per last discussion, and so 3 or 4 record something will be guys. Okay, I think 5 record. Okay, like Asutosh S, Anand, Aswin, then Aswin. Okay, same way I want to add data into the database now, that is my requirement now. So what I'm gonna to do here guys, as you remember last session, create one object is equal to which data, which table you want to store guys. What is your table name now? Your table name is here what guys, like a student, right? So just copy the student in here, then paste it here as student, then create the things guys. Okay, like what are the column is there in this table, like name, roll number, father name, mother name, gender, and email. So add it here like name, a student name, this is your column name, this is your student name I am passing here, student roll number, this is your column name, this is your value, what this is the variables. Okay guys, father's name, this is your table column name, this is your variables what you want to store. Same way I have done here. Now next was what guys, next is here call like gender equal to student gender. Okay, now what is the missing here guys, now email also student email. It's going long, so what I'm gonna do here, just break it here guys. Okay, so just you can see here. Hope till now you guys have understood what I have explained here. Till now what you guys have understood. Now let's do here. Okay, let's see again guys. You will face one error guys, so just you can understand what is that error guys. Okay, don't worry about the error, you will see. Let's submit the request again guys. Okay, this time you will find some error guys. The student name is not defined. Already we define the here, we write the student table, but this is not defined, we did not import it guys. Okay, because this student is from models.py file, so we have to import it here. So how to import it guys, already I told you, from your application name test app dot models import a student. Understand guys, this is the way you can just import it. Now come it here, object. Okay, now see I have write it here guys. Now let's come and send the data again, ram, same data. Okay, now data is coming here, this there is no error. Now let's see data is saved or not in your database. Can you confirm guys, anyone data will be saved or not?
Not safe, sir.
Why?
Because data
Why
save
guys?
command object.save function.
Okay, great. So we have to write here object.save, object.save. That means we are saving the data now into database. Okay guys, this is the object.save. So see till now data is not saved. Again I will send the request here. Okay, here request has sent again, it's done. Now data has saved. Now we can see into your database here. Did you understand guys? Now we are saving the data here. This is the way. Till now understood guys, whatever I have explained you all?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
fine. Okay, good. Again you can write the data here. Again you can, again I can change here like Vikram 102 let's add the Gmail ID and save. Data has saved and you guys will see here in your database. Can you see here now? Okay, so now what I'm going to do guys, this is the one page where you can save the data. Now I will remove this one guys. Okay, now I don't want this one. Okay, now what I will do guys, I will create new page. Okay, I will create new page guys. Okay, where I will display all the data from the database. Okay, so create new view function guys. Okay, I want to create new page, new URLs, new view function. So create it here guys, def student underscore list. Okay guys, pass the request, this one. Now is the get method only guys. Okay, I want to get, so if request dot method equal to get, what is the default method guys?
Get, sir, get method.
Okay, fine. Default method is a get method. Okay, so I am just one as a get. Now print a student list. Okay, just I pass here print a student list. Now what I will do guys, I will want one template here also guys. Template name is equal to pass here student list. Then next I want context parameter also. By default, these things you need all the HTML page guys, all the view function you need, okay, mostly guys, okay. Then render, return request template name, then context, okay. These things I just pass. Now let's create the URLs for this guys, okay. Come into urls.py file. Let's just create the URLs for this here. Okay guys, URLs has done. Now I have to import this one. So for that purpose guys, I have to add it here, okay. Import line, okay. Hope you have understood guys. Now what I am going to do here, let's come duplicate this windows guys, okay, this tab. Now the student list, okay guys, there will be one errors, okay. So you guys don't worry about that error. What is that guys? Okay, just comment it. Sorry, stop and rerun the server guys, okay. Rerun the server is running here smoothly, no any problem here. Just reload. Now we have seen this error guys. Anyone can tell what is the purpose of this error guys? Why this error is rising?
Sir, because you didn't create a student list.html file in templates.
So where to create now?
Uh, Insert template, insert main app.
There's no any main app, just directly we are using the
Okay,
template here. So I will create here
okay.
student list.html. Understand guys? Now
Yes.
I want some HTML, so just I copy it here, this page here directly, and I paste the HTML code. Now here, welcome to a student list page. Welcome to a student list page. Okay. Yes. Okay, guys. Now next, what I am to do here? Right now, I will do nothing here. Just I will go and reload the page. Do you understand, guys? Welcome to a student list page. Now my requirement is here, guys. Whatever data is there, whatever data is there from your table, I wanted to just get all data and I want to display here, guys. Okay. Now, so for this purpose, what I'm going to do, guys, already I have explained you in the last session. Anyone can tell me, guys, what is the way forward, how we'll do? If you remember in the last session, I have just explained you here on top, well, somewhere, most probably I have just explained these things, okay? Let's see. How to get data from database, guys, okay? How to create nodes. Now I want you to understand how to get data from the database. A simple way, guys. Let's see here. Create one object, guys, okay? Object. From which table you want to get data, guys? What is your model's name? Name of the models, like a student, okay? Dot objects dot, you want all data, right? So just add the all, okay? I want all data, means object means just add one record called records, okay. Okay, means this records variables. What I want all data. Understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
So all data will come here. This will be like query set, guys, okay. Query set, okay. Now let's print there records, okay. Now prints the records, guys, okay. Just I am printing the records here. Now come and reload that page, this page, right? Come and reload here. See your terminal. All object is coming, guys, okay. Can you see query set in the list format? Object 1, objects 2, object 3, student object 3, student object 4, student object 5, student object 6 and 7. Did you understand, guys? It's returning the object, guys, okay. Now how you can get the all data from this object, guys? Okay, you know, right? Once you create the object, then how you will get the data? By using object dot name of the variables. Okay, guys. So now this is, since this is into the list format, guys, okay. So I can just loop it, guys, okay. In the list I can just loop it. Let's see here. For data in which variables, guys? Records. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, print, I want a student name, right? A student name means data dot name. Okay, then what I want, okay, let's see first. You will see all the student name, guys. Okay, now here, okay, just add one here, one print, just add one symbol called break, like some separate, guys. Okay, so we'll know here I added the star and multiply by 30. Okay, now let me go and reload that page. Server is running, guys. Server has no any problem. See, server is too innocent here. It's keep on running. Okay, now what we'll do here, let's come and reload. Now see here, we will see the name. First record name Asutosh, second record name also Asutosh, third record name, one student name is Anand, fourth record name student name is Ashwin, fifth record name also Ashwin, sixth student Ram, then seventh is Vikram. Did you understand, guys? All are coming. Okay, hope you know understand now. Hope you have understood how to get data from the database. Okay, I want more data, guys. Okay, then next is the print a student roll number. Okay, then I want a student father's name, they want mother's name, they want there is a gender, right? Also a student gender. Understand, guys? Then next I want a student email ID. See, all data I am displaying here, guys. Where I am displaying, I am displaying into the your console, your terminal. Let's come and reload. Hope you have understood, guys. Any problem, guys? Anyone? Any problem?
No, sir.
No,
Okay,
sir.
so second. Okay, good. Now, okay, now my requirement is here I am just displaying. I have explained you how you can do. Okay, now my requirement is to send this data into the this page here. This is the my requirement to send the data into the HTML page. So what to do, guys? Here now we have to just do one thing. Just we can pass this record, okay, into the HTML. Create one variable called records slash record. This is your key and this is your value. By using this key, you can access the value of that into the HTML page. Let's come hit here and into the list, HTML list. Just we can pass one thing here. H5 I will take here, list of student. Okay, I don't want list of student right now here, just still records. Okay, H5, then I will just display into double curly bracket open, double curly bracket close. Now I can go here and you can see, guys, here can you see all the object is coming same way. Did you understand, guys? All the object is coming the same way. Now what I'm going to do, I have to iterate, guys. Okay, means I have to use the for loop here also. Understand, guys? We have to use for loop here also. To how to use the for loop, guys? How you can use the for loop here? So we can't use normal this for loop, guys. Okay, whatever you write into the Python file. Okay, we can't write the for loop this way. So that is a for loop is different for loop, guys. Okay, that is called Jinja2. Okay, this is called Jinja2. We have to use Jinja2 syntax, guys. Okay, here let's see here, we have to write here Jinja2. Okay, there is one more language called Jinja2, guys. Okay, that is used to display the content from the view function to HTML page dynamic way. Okay, guys, so for loop syntax, what is that, guys? Okay, remember always, guys. Okay, for loop syntax, for loop syntax for Jinja2. Just remember this line, guys. Okay, curly bracket open and close, then percentage. Okay, open close, take one space, then write here for data in records. Okay, means your object name. Understand guys? Then here same way n4. This is your Jinja2 for loop syntax guys. Okay, understand now guys how you can do. So now what I am going to do guys, same things I will do here. Now here for data in records, this is your variables guys. Okay, this is your variables here. Okay, now and for loop, don't miss guys syntax, this is syntax guys. Okay, and for, don't miss the syntax guys. Okay, I am telling you, don't miss the syntax here. For data in records, then for. Now what I am going to do, just get, I want to get the what guys, I want to get one things like bold tag I will take, like a student name. Okay, and bold tag I will just close. Okay, then what is the student name guys here? Same way guys, whatever we have done into the here, like data dot name. Okay, same way we can do here also data dot name, but we have to put inside the double curly bracket open, double curly bracket close. Understand guys? Now let's see here. 5 student name will display here guys. Can you see? Name Asutosh something. Okay, leave. Okay, let me just decorate it guys. Okay, just add here one HR tag. Okay, then add here H3. Okay, H4. Okay, now list of a student. Understand guys? Now list of a student. Add here one tab called BR tag. Okay, new line it will come guys. Okay, now see here. Did you understand guys? A student name completely guys. Same way if I want here bold tag. Okay guys, understand guys? Hope you can able to relate guys what I am explaining here. Let's see here. Did you understand guys here? Everything is coming. It's not look good guys. Okay, this is not look good. So now you can display here. And if you guys remember guys, in before guys I have just explained you before how you can work with the table concept guys. Okay, like how you can work with HTML table. Anyone guys remember
Yes, sir.
in the starting guys? Yes. So if you remember, I have explained you before somewhere else guys, working with the tables. I don't know where is that, let me check. It will be like here something Django template bootstrap different port number, this one maybe, let's see this one. Yeah, form is done. After the form there was a table, I think so, before the forms, maybe before the forms itself. Did you remember guys somewhere we have done, I have just explained you in the, can you see here this one guys? Okay, if you remember guys, in the last video, in the previous video I have explained you how you can design these forms, this template, like this one, this table mainly guys. So I wanted to display into the tabular column guys here. Okay, so what I am going to do here, let's use the bootstrap guys. Okay, get bootstrap I want to use 4.6 guys. Okay, I like 4.6 guys. Okay, that's why you can use other bootstrap also for me, no problem. Okay, as long as you know how to use, that is most important. And table here, content I what and what table guys, right? Okay, table. Let's come component. Like where is the table, guys? Can you see the table here? The search table, tables here. Okay. Now if you can find it here, tables. Which tables do you want first of all, guys? Anyone can tell, guys, which table do you want? Same that table code I will just copy there. Just tell, guys. Guess it. Which one do you want? Which table code do you want? Which table do you like? Which table design do you like?
Anyone, sir?
Okay, you don't have any choice. Okay, fine. So guys, just I wanted to go with right now. I just wanted to go with first one, guys. Okay, what is the first one? Let's see. First table. Okay, I'm just coming with the first table itself. So you can take remaining table, no problem. Just I will copy the first. Let's see, guys. Understand? Already I have explained you the code here from the for the table how you can define here. See. So I don't want to explain you again. I just going to copy and paste it, guys. Okay, just copy and paste this table here into your code. Okay, if you guys don't know about this one, how it's working, what is that, just you can rewatch the session, guys. Okay, just you can rewatch the session number 6 or 7 something, guys. Okay, just rewatch. Now I will just reload this one here, guys. Okay, can you see table design is coming perfectly? But I wanted to add my data, guys. I wanted to add my data column name. So first column was the what, guys? Name, right? Name, like a student name. Okay, this was what was that, guys? A student name. STUD, a student name, roll number, father's name. Then what was the next, guys? Gender, gender. Then what was the next here? I think email also, right? Email. Understand? Now I don't want all those things here, guys. Okay, these things I don't want here. This data I want to come from the our backend, guys. My requirement is that this data I don't want a static. I want from backend, from our table, guys. From our table. Remember, guys. Hope you have understood, guys, what I am telling you, guys, here. Table body, TD, TR, TR. This is extra tier. I don't want here. Okay. Now what I want here, just see here. See, column is coming as student name, roll number. So I want this is serial number, right? So I can just put here as student ID. Student ID, guys. Okay. ID. Okay. Now see here. Student ID, name, roll number, father name, mother name, gender, and this one. Now what I want, guys, I wanted to these things. So I will just change here, guys. Okay. Student ID. First column I need ID, right? So here this one data dot ID. Okay, just let me explain you one thing, guys. Okay, just see. Now these things, guys, I want to put into the for loop because this column, this row I want to repeat, guys. Okay, number of records, how many times data we have in our database, this many times I want to repeat this completely, guys. Okay, so I will put inside the loop here. Already I have explained you for data in records. Okay, this is your any variables name, this is your variables name, what is coming from the your view function, like this records, guys. Okay, just write it down. Okay, now next I will just end it, guys. Okay, here end for syntax. Okay, now I want all those things here, guys. Okay, hope you have understood, guys. Hope you guys have understood what I am doing here. Now just close this one. Now come and reload it. Did you understand, guys? All data is coming into our database table or column.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir. I
No,
want to
sir.
remove student name, roll number.
Okay, now what I'm going to do guys here, just for your understanding purpose, now what I will do, these things whatever I have explained you, I can just delete. Before deleting guys, whatever I have done, let me push the code into the GitHub, okay? Just for your backup purpose guys, okay? Just for your backup purpose, all those things, okay? Git status, git add, git commit hyphen m, working with Django, create n list functionalities. Okay, now git status, git status, git branch, ram branch, right? Git push hyphen u origin ram. Okay, git push hyphen u origin ram. I have just pushed this code into the my branch guys. Okay, now so it maintain the version guys. Okay, in future you can go and check it what I have just explained you. So now I wanted to, just for your understanding purpose, just I wanted to remove these things guys. Okay, server is running guys. No, let's restart the server guys. Okay, uh, python manage.py run server. I am just running the server now. Now the server is running completely here. Okay, reload. Now I don't want these things guys. Okay, these things whatever is there, that's I don't want, just I have explained you how it's working now. Okay, and I am hoping that you guys understood now. So just remove this for loop from here. Okay, come and reload it here. Can you see now here? Hope you have understood all the data coming from a database. Now I don't want also this record guys, also these things I don't want now. I have just explained you to an understanding purpose. So just I will clear these things guys. Just I will do cleaning the coding. Just I clean it. Okay, hope you have understood now this thing. Okay, now this thing is like something look like guys. Okay, so just what I will do, this all the things copy here, table also I will put into one container guys. Okay, create one div okay, open close. I want here one class jumbotron food. Okay, some design will come here, just add it to your data here. Okay, now let's see, just reload. Okay, this is the file. No, I don't want, I just want here container guys. Okay, if I need some design I will check it, no problem. Oh yeah, just I want just container guys. Okay, let's see here, just some shape will change. Okay, both side margin happening, did you understand? Margin. Okay, container, I want to save the data into this format. Now if you want to change the color things, that you can do guys. Okay, if you want to change the color for this border, what you will come into bootstrap here guys. Okay, can you see here for color, which table, just copy this class guys. Okay, table dark. Let's see what will happen guys. Just put class is equal to class here, table dark. Already css is someone write the css guys, so it will change the color. Did you understand guys? Now color has changed for this. If you want some different color guys, if you want only header color, what you do guys, t head, t head dark. Just I want header guys. This is called header. Okay, so just put here class is equal to header. Just remove this one. Okay, now just come and reload. Can you see? Just only header is the dark, same color. Hope you have understood guys what I am trying to do here. Now what I want guys here, I want one button here. If someone click this button, I want one button here guys. Here, add new. Let's create add new. Then that forms will open guys. Okay, so just let's put one button here. I want one button here. Like let's see. Just put link guys. Okay, just link anchor tag. Okay, add new student here. Okay, Add new student href. I don't want to go home page right now. Just I want one button only here. Did you understanding guys what I am trying to do? What I am trying to explain you here? Yes guys, did
Yes,
you
sir.
understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. URLs. Now I will put it here. Create a student guys. Okay, just I can add it here. Create a student. Now we'll go here. Reload here. One button is there like add new student. Then it will go to the home page here. Okay. Now here you can create. Now what I in the create page guys, I don't want this two option here now. Working with Django form something already you guys know, right? So I will just delete it guys. Okay. What I will do? I will just delete these things. Okay. So I don't want these things here. Okay. Now go and reload it here. Okay. Understand? Now if you guys want to design these forms, you can design, no problem. Okay. You can design it guys. Okay. Now here what I want here right now, just add forms dot as underscore p, one paragraph will come. Okay, as p means we are adding one paragraph guys. Okay, let's see here, coming some bit space is okay, extra space is coming, one paragraph is adding guys. Okay, now we do want this one guys, this div tag something, just you can add it, else you can remove this color guys. Okay, no problem, black, then put blue here. Let's see, color has changed. These things you can decorate guys. Okay. Okay, so now requirement here I can put here one more link. See, uh, get a student list guys. Okay, add one more link here. Okay, like anchor tag view a student list guys. Okay. Okay guys, now if you click it here guys, it will go to the this page. If you click here you can go to this page. Now if you want to add some data guys, okay, let's add new data. Home something, father's name just something something something, then add something else. Okay, data has saved, data has saved two times, three times, four times I have saved same data. Click on the view button, the new tab. Okay, you will see here. Did you understand guys? Data has saved, same data four times, five times I have saved guys. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now what I'm going to do, if I save the data I wanted to send to the list page guys. Okay, so what I will do here now, here once we save the data guys, now I just wanted to send to the list page here. So just I will use return redirect to a student list page guys. Okay, just and I will just comment this all the line, I don't need now. Okay, return redirect, there's one function called redirect guys. Okay, just I will import redirect, means after saving the data where I want to send, where I wanted to go now. So that's reason once data is saved I wanted you to go, hey, once data is saved, now let's go to the list page. I want to see the data, what data I have saved. Now let's click on the add new, add some data like meaningful data guys. Okay, let's take Modi, roll number, one note one. Okay, father's name Modi, mother's name add Modi. Okay, then gender add Modi, and Modi at gmail.com, and save. Once you click on save submit button guys, data will be saved and it will send to the like this page, like list page guys. See here, let's see at last. Did you understand guys what I was showing here now? No answer guys?
Yes, sir.
Did you understood what I have explained now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, good.
Sir,
So this is
I
your
think
today concept.
Yes, I think enough for you, enough for me, sir. Today concept.
Okay, what I will do now here, uh, I will just stop today these things, and you guys can do practice till now, and we will meet next session. Might be we can connect